Canadian cashier,
I
si
know, but
Shira.
I ended
Kilala
up
mo
now
yan?
making
Si Shira
another one,
nag-ayos.
which is
Sabi ko, naku
now.
Shira, hindi pa nakakabigay
It
ng
took like 3
100.
minutes.
Ayun, sabi ni Shira, te, kasi
now
yan
it's
yung nangyari kay
16.
Terry. Ay, hindi ko
Over
man alam. Yung kay
15.
Terry kasi, ang nangyari, lumaban yung ano.
Feed me
Nakabigay
anything.
na.
We have a lot of money.
Or hindi naman alam, baka walang witness sa likod. Eh ako ang dami nakakilala.
I'm tired.
Wala. Ito
When you don't
Wala.
I'm a toilet.
So, pwedeng mabintangan si Kerry na kunyari, di ba?
No.
Eh ako, wala makakabintang kasi nasa likod ko. Kita naman na wala akong naabot na pera, no? Oo.
Your turn is
Right
on.
then, then, nagtatalo na. Si Shira ginawa na. Wala man sinabi yung mama na hindi may binigay siya. Wala, di ba? Sinasabi na
turn,
talaga
Zor.
nila, it's just a misunderstanding kasi nga matanda na eh. Ayaw nila ma-open. Eh kaso ako, syempre, kahit alam ko matanda na, sasabihin ko, I asked you many times. Sabi ko, I asked you many times. Ganyan, you said yes. Eh syempre, kailangan kong sabihin, di ba? Pero kung
Jayden, there's a car down.
kung customer din ako, di sasabihin ko lang din, it's a misunderstanding, di ba? Your glass!
Sa kanila yan, mama.
Oh, I thought that was a car moving, but it was just actually staying. Sometimes that happens to me. When I see a car, I thought it was moving, but it's actually not.
Lesson learned. Siyempre, sa pag-umpisa, hindi ko na mauulitin. At least 100 lang din yung sa akin. Yung kay Kerry, 250 eh. My gosh.
Zozo. Kulit na po. Kayo na umubos niyan. Kunwari sold out, pero kayo umubos. Kung talaga. Don't waste the cups. Where's your cup? Kanina.
Dapat lagyan nyo ng name. So, isa, Jayden.
Where? Where?
Wala. I just heard something. Ayun, may car na dali.
Oh, yeah.
Kasi early.
Akala ko,
Mag-uuwi
at
ano.
least lesson learned. I mean, ano mo, may experience ka na. Alam mo na. Pag may half gano'n. Sige, akin ang may cash. Ganun siguro.
Yeah, kunin mo muna yung cash bago mo i-key-in yung card.
It got to the other way.
Sanay kasi ako, matanda yun, lagi naman sa akin yun eh, mabait naman, wala namang cash. So hindi ko akalain na magde-deny siya na gano'n, na hindi naman daw mali. Although pwede namang mali nga sa, kaya sa dami ng beses ko sinabi, sa bakit tanda na kasi.
My turn.
Kaya ba't hahaya mag-grocery kung hindi na pala
You
ka?
almost got it.
So, binigay na lang
Actually,
to.
Oo, ilan na naman kay Shira, kung hindi,
someone buying
minsan tayo
lemonade.
makikipagtayo
No.
na,
Actually, a
eh,
car.
hindi, ang dami nga kasi witness eh.
Yeah.
Hindi rin siya makakaano.
No!
Dami mo na utang!
Hoy, madami ka na utang. Ano, to. Ayun. Kalom.
Hindi, ang gusto niya ma-experience yung pag ganun ng gripo eh.
Kalom, look, here. This is yours. You forgot? Oh.
Ano, magsasalin lang din siya.
Dito ka ba?
So, magsasalin lang din.
Yo, what?
Kengkoy din eh. Oo.
Pa-drop mo.
Yun lang ang gusto niya eh, magsalin.
Para magmukhang sold out mamaya.
This is for sale, lemonade.
Yeah,
I mean,
because
for
it's still
sale.
early. Maybe later.
Siguro mga ilang minuto na ako kumukulit na dyan na mag-lemon.
Can I try?
Dapat siguro nila pati. No?
If there's a car,
Wow,
I'll go
that's big.
super fast, okay? Yeah, pedal. What if there's a police car over here? Imagine if there's a police car.
naiinitan sa suot mo?
Police car. Can I drink some lemonade? Imagine
At least enjoy sila.
police car really wants to
Like, inisip ko kasi, sabi ko next week na lang kaya tatamad talaga ako eh, wag na. May pasok kami sa next week.
getting it.
Sabi sa susunod na linggo may binag ang pupuntahan. Naku, sige na nga.
When did we plant this year? We had out, so we would not need to do anything. Or maybe whatever is that
Hindi
year.
na ni Zoe.
Eh, buti may table ka rin, ano? Kung hindi,
Opo.
bibili ka pa.
Post ko yan mama.
Oo. At least, meron ka ready ka.
No!
Yay daw eh.
Oh my gosh. I had a jump. I had a mini heart attack. Same.
Ubus. That one.
Okay na.
Lagyan mong yellow.
Oh, ice. We'll put ice.
Ay, yes!
Ice.
Sumasayaw pa pala
Sabi ni
yun.
Mario, may bumili na. Oo, si Kalum.
Gusto ni Kalo.
Si Kalo pa ba naman, no?
Si Kalum boy naman.
Wow!
Callum is a Imagine me driving.
Oopsie, kasi ikaw. O, doon na. O, sit na, sit
Sorry.
na.
Sit here.
Ito yata favorite chair niya eh.
Here. No? Kunin niya yung kanya.
Don't walk while you're drinking.
Bebe,
Oh my
don't
gosh.
lean sa table. Just look, just the Lord.
I'm not leaning.
You are.
This is the best day of my life.
Best day of
Best
your
day.
I didn't know it was that easy in the first, but in the second
Oh,
part.
Jayden, not near the table, ha? Oh! Si MJ eh, oh, sumasayaw pa eh, oh. May free entertainer.
Oh, Tita Joy will buy one na.
Money.
Credit.
Credit.
Tita Joy will buy one.
Oh, here. $1?
Kalong here.
Yeah.
Kalong
Later.
here. Come here. Hindi naman ako pinaalis.
On Monday, I'll give you
Bae.
$5.
Oh!
And what?
Ano to?
Umbrella? You're gonna have 5 drinks. How do you do that? Spider-Man quitting his job. Like that? I don't.
May pa-umbrella pa.
How do you open this?
This is not an easy job.
Sus,
Ah, may pa-umbrella. Good girl.
Sabi na ito.
You made me go in the
Sit na
row.
pali, sit na pali.
You made me.
There you go.
That's a nice trick.
Bet kailan ito yung biglang dumaldal?
Steven, I want to try that too.
Sentences na sinasabi. Kumakanta pa.
Diba?
Nag-video. Oh, my car, my car, my car.
Naka-on yan, although. Naka-on yung video nila. Ay, nagkwentuhan pa man din tayo nito. Patay, cut mo na lang, ha?
Ano, tita?
Tita who? Who's Tita? What's Tita? What's the Tita? Tita what?
Tita ba, tita ba? Stakeholder ka pa rin ka malang
Is it Tita Tita?
Bakit ako?
Bye, gano'n.
Inuubo yan eh. Bebe, baka naman matamaan si
Yun na,
Kalong,
yun na.
anak. Lapit na ang school. Ready na ba kayo? Ready ka na ba? Ito na naman.
Alam nilaw.
Oh my car, my car.
Nilaw-law na.
Oh my car.
Oh, Jayden.
Gene, it's your turn.
Ito.
Natawa yung ano ba? Nakatawa eh.
Baka ma-join din ha. Natakot yung driver, baka biglang tumawid eh.
Natawa yung babae. Natawa. Kasi nanakbo pa.
Akala yung driver, tatakbo sa gitna.
Eh, may placard. Natawa yung babae.
Di pa kami nakabili ka na ba?
Baka bukas.
Lemonade.
Paano mas magandang hindi na may bagong bag ko. Baka sa
Nakabili na yan ang bago.
ano, sis? Kasi sisa mo na.
O, natan na table, Jayden. Baka mapalin daw kayo sa table nga naman taob.
Ng mga lalo si ate.
Jaden did that, so it's my turn.
Blue notes na kasi.
I hear a car.
Sa Shein shopping.
Tiin, president, tsaka RD.
Let's see how many minutes. 9 minutes.
Jayden, ano na? Drink water. Oh, this one. Oh, drink.
That's water.
Yeah.
Maybe you're tired.
Over your mouth.
Ayun na si Tita Tess, kuhaan nyo na ano, dali. Puntahan nyo dun. 25 bibigay niyan.
Asan?
Ayan, dali.
There's a car.
Go, Jayden. Jayden, go.
Eh, pakita mo yung placard.
Go, puntahan mo dun.
Like that, like that. So,
Oo.
the white car.
Look,
Like that.
left and right.
You have to go there. So that,
Like this, like this.
Here, sir.
Go, go, go. So
Show,
go.
show the
Raise it
placard.
up.
No, don't run, ha, don't
I
run
know
on
that.
the road.
Parang nakasilip na eh. The white car, so. Oh, yan. Go, go, go.
That's Nathan's car.
yeah, that's the Kuya Nathan's car.
Oh, yun na, bili na.
Yeah, hey!
Yayaman.
daw natin. Pinagbigyan namin tong dalawa. Ang kulit eh.
You mean orange juice and iced
Bumili ka
tea?
daw. $20 kay tita ha. $20 kay tita Tess.
Iced tea or
Baka daw pagod ka. Wow. Pressure naman.
$20 daw para sa'yo.
$10 each.
$1 and then this is $1.
Okay, $1.
It says it on the sign.
Dali magkalkal mo na. Mamaya, wala naman
Social
pala
siya
akong
ngayon.
credit. Do you accept credit?
I guess so.
Oh, I guess so daw.
I guess
Meron
so.
ano, debit machine.
That'll go in my debit because I
my
have like
Ano to? Summer na? Patapos na ng summer?
Kasi naman ulan ng ulan.
mix it, that'll be
Kaya.
$2.
Oh, I have $2.
Wow.
Wow.
If you mix it,
How
it'll be
about that?
Mix it.
Oh, mix it then. Okay, let's experiment something.
Okay.
Half. How about that?
Half.
Yeah. Ito
Kalo?
Ay, uy, kalong!
How much
Oh,
ice?
diba? Ang galing
How much
naman.
ice you want?
Oh, how much ice that?
ice?
Okay,
Oh.
put at least 3 of them.
Okay, I found two.
Oh my goodness, galing. Kasi hawak mo muna. Oh, hawak mo.
You have the glass, Jayden. You have the glass.
Wow.
Okay.
Ang galing Ang galing naman ng idea ninyo.
There, so, half.
I found
And then,
may
paano
tagalagay
yun?
ng
Half.
ice.
Eh di, $1 and ano?
What?
50. Kasi $2 ang sa nun eh.
Konti naman.
Did you put that?
Sa bago.
You have to put sabi niya,
Put more?
Yeah, put
kasi
more.
English sila eh. Alam mo naman ito.
Pero hindi half-breed.
Ang Pilipino to.
Oh, sige pa.
Okay na to.
More. Put more.
Hindi naman sa'yo talaga.
So, tell me about it. So, this is what is this one?
Orange.
What is this one?
I know.
And what is this one?
Orange.
Did you make this one?
We all did you make this one?
Ito, Joy, there. Dito, dito mo.
Mami.
Thank you. It's okay na. It's okay na. I just want to taste your
Tino mo nga.
Nasaan si Auntie Beng? Auntie Beng!
Sabi ko yung hold up ka rin eh.
Sabi namin si Tita Tess ang hold up ninyo kasi ano yun.
Ito ba, Dom? Ito ba? Oh my goodness.
Ay,
Ayun,
not too bad daw. Say thank you.
Don't run, Jayden. Just stay there.
Ice tea kayo dyan. Cheers!
At least napapatingin sila.
Why did someone look like that?
Dalawang bata.
Pambili ng ano? Pambili ng gamit. Oh, alam mo.
Oh,
Order yung gamit sa
What?
school.
there's a chat.
Di ba?
There's a
Oh my
chat.
goodness, ayoko na ata. Parang ang mahal.
Mahal, 110 sa amin. Sa inyo, 100 ano.
Oo, nakagastos naman ako ng 100 something. So sabi ko, sa Walmart kasi rollback na yung mga.
Ayun na nga.
Baka why not just to go to the Walmart na lang. Pero ang sabi kasi ng mga teacher, gusto nila uniform. Sabi ko,
Negosyo na na.
ang mahal naman kasi.
I will pass that.
Punta na lang kayo sa Walmart kasi $1, $2.
Oh
Hindi naman nila magagamit lahat. So sabi ko, I don't know, want to spend $100. Yung ano, summary niya na $75, yun yung talagang kailangan nila. Pero meron pang add-on. Add-on pa. Umabot na ng 100 lahat. So sabi ko, ayoko, I don't want it. So, ang kinuha ko lang yung basic na lang. Tapos yung add-on, hindi na ako kumuha. Ako na mismo ang pumunta sa Walmart.
Jayden, don't din on the table
$20
lang.
lang.
Jayden, you might push the table.
Oo, kasi ang mahal
Hindi ako
talaga.
narinig na
Sabi ko, I
Joy.
don't want to spend
Sinasawag niya ang
$100.
din ng
Just put
table.
ano.
Anong down din on the table na?
Eh, grade 6 na siya.
Oh, ayun, may cooks na doon.
Eh, syempre, hindi lang naman yun ang kailangan nila for the whole year. Diba?
Is that point on?
Busy kayo?
Nag-field trip pa. Ano pa yung mga babayaran mo? Sabi ko, mag-field trip pa siya, tapos ang dami pang kailangan, hindi lang naman.
Anong grade na sila?
So,
Eh, grade 6 na. So sabi ko, parang, pero ang sabi kasi ng teacher, bakit dati we have to pay na lang yung
Yeah.
$65, kayo na.
Ay,
ang
oo
bayad.
nga. Yun nga, diba? Ganun naman talaga dati.
So sabi ko ng gano'n, di dapat ganun na lang, hindi na daw kasi lugi sila, parang lugi ata. Wala silang lugi.
Phoenix, part 3.